Dear students, welcome to my channel. You are watching Manikant All-in-One Research Point. I am Manikant Mani. In this video, I am going to tell you about the study of ratio. This video is best especially for class 5, but it would be very helpful to all the junior and general competitive students. Let us start the video. When the proportional relationship of the quantity or the number of two same amount is known by comparing to each other in the simplest form of the fraction is called ratio. This is the definition of ratio, and now I am going to explain it with the example. If the whole part of 20 mangoes should be divided into 5 parts, then its one portion will have 4 mangoes. It means to say that there are 20 mangoes in a basket and all the mangoes should be divided into 5 parts. Then each one part will have 4 mangoes. Wherein if Ram takes 2 parts from it, if Ram takes 2 parts from it, then he will have 4 plus 4 equal to 8 mangoes, and it will be written such as, it will be written under the fraction, the fractional part of the 20 mangoes will be written in this way: 8 by 20. 8 mangoes has been written 8 by 20, and when this number will be changed into the simplest form 8 by 20 and 8 by 20, when this number will be changed into the simplest form, then the next new number will be 2 and 5. 2 and 5, this is the simplest form, and when this number will be expressed into the ratio, then it will be written 2 to 5. It means 2, it will be read as 2, so it will be read in ratio 2 to 5. On the other hand, besides it, if Ram gets 3 parts of the whole number, as we saw that there are 20 mangoes and Ram has taken 2 parts and Mohan gets 3 parts. So about it, it is said, besides it, if Mohan gets 3 parts of the whole part of 20 mangoes, then he will have 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 12 mangoes, and it will be written such as, under the fractional number, under the fractional part, it will be written 12 by 20. So, and when the this fractional number 12 by 20 will be changed into the simplest form. Then the new number 3 and 5 will be found and it will be written under the ratio 3 to 5. This is the fractional part of the whole amount, but this is the simplest part, simplest form of this number. And when this number will be expressed into the form of ratio, then it will be read 3 to 5. And now this 3 to 5 is a co-prime number. So this number tells about the quantity. Here is written, this number tells about the exact numbers of the quantity, exact number of the whole amount. This fractional part tells, but the number of ratio does not tell about the exact number of the quantity, only it tells the proportional relationship between them. The next sentence is written here in this way. It has been described in this way. In this way, the simplest form of the fractional number. This simplest form of the fractional number is called ratio. Generally, it does not tell the exact number of the objects. This number does not tell about the exact numbers of the objects. It tells about the proportional relationship between the objects. And there is the difference between fractional part, fractional number, and the number of ratio. Fractional part is related with about the exact number of the objects, but the number of ratio is related about the proportional relationship. Now the next example has been given here, and you can see it has been explained into the by picture. You can see here is a basket. You can also say it a pot or a box. Here is a basket and there are 20 mangoes in this basket. Then it has been written a collection of 20 mangoes, and there are 20 mangoes in this basket, and all the 20 mangoes are the whole part, a whole part, and the total quantity, numbers, and all the numbers, all the quantity are same kinds, same types, and this is the same types of amount. When the 20 mangoes will be divided into 5 parts, this is the first part, second, third, fourth, and fifth. When all these 20 mangoes should be divided into 5 parts, then one part will have 4 mangoes, and second part will also have 4 mangoes, and 3, 4, and in this way. It means to say that all the parts will have 4 mangoes. The number of the objects is written here 4 mangoes. It means 4 plus 4, 4 and 4 after 4, and after adding these numbers the total sum of mangoes are 20. Now it has been said that Ram has taken 2 parts. If Ram takes 2 parts from this, so 2 parts means 1 parts and 2 parts. It means Ram will have 4 plus 4 equal to 8 mangoes. 2 parts means 8 mangoes. All the shaded parts to 2 parts means 8 mangoes, and this 8 mangoes will be written under the fraction 8 by 20, and when this number will be changed into the simplest form, then it will be make a new number 2 by 5, and when 2 by 5 will be expressed into the ratio, then it will be expressed such as, and it will be read 2 to 5. This is the fractional number, tells about the total quantity of the objects, but this number tells about the relationship. Now Mohan takes 3 parts. 3 parts means you can see above, from 5 parts, if 3 parts should be taken, 3, 4, 5, 1 parts, 2 parts and 3 parts. So it means Mohan will have 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 12 mangoes, and when all these 12 mangoes be written into fraction, then it will be written in this way 12 by 20. If Mohan takes 3 parts, then he will have 20 mangoes, and 20 mangoes will be written 12 by 20, and when this number will be changed into the simplest form, then the next new number would be 3 by 5, and this 3 by 5 is expressed into the ratio 3 to 5. So the fractional number tells about the exact number of the objects, but this number does not tell about the exact number of the objects. It tells only the proportional relationship between them. So this is the difference between the fractional number and the number of ratio. Some sentences have been written below. You can see. Finally, hence the ratio of any two numbers. Hence the ratio of two numbers. The ratio of two numbers. And the condition is that numbers should be of same type of objects, same type of classes. Then if the ratio of any two numbers The first ratio is 2 to 5. This is the ratio of 8 by 20, and the second ratio is 3 to 5, and this is the ratio of 12 by 20. About this two number, it has been said, hence the ratio of any two numbers, hence the ratio of two numbers, ratio and ratio, two numbers, is expressed into the simplest form. This is expressed into the simplest form, and besides it, it is not wrong to write 8 by 20. 8 by 20 we can also express in this way: 8 by 20 equal 8 to 20. It is not wrong to write in this way, but it is better to express this number always into the number of ratio. In this way, the total amount quantity of the objects can be changed into ratio, and ratio can be changed into the amount. It means to say the fractional number can be changed into the ratio. Here is changed into the ratio, and second 12 by 20 is changed into 3 to 5 ratio, and the ratio also will be changed into the fractional number. Herewith the class is over. I shall meet you in the next video with a new topic. Till then, take care and goodbye.